Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the SMA Victor Podcast. I am your host, Victor, aka Victor the Inspiration. In today's episode, we are going to be discussing how AI is accelerating new SMA discoveries. And today we will be having ChatGPT as our co-host joining us today. ChatGPT, let's get right into today's episode. Please pardon me in advance. I'm recording several pieces of content today, and particularly for this YouTube channel, and I'm feeling under the weather. And so please pardon me in advance. So let's get right into today's episode. So it says artificial intelligence, AI, is dramatically accelerating new scientific discoveries, including in spinal muscular atrophy research, by automating processes, analyzing. I do not know why I cannot pronounce that word right now. Analyzing. Wow, that's crazy. And now analyzing. There it is. Analyzing vast data sets and generating novel hypnosis. It is transforming the traditional, often slow and costly trial and error approach into a faster, data driven system.
That's a fantastic introduction. It's super engaging, and I love how you're bringing in AI's impact on SMA research. And no worries at all about the pronunciation. It happens to everyone. If you need any help refining the script or adding more details, just let me know.
That was horrible. I can't believe I struggled with that word right now, and I know it.
No worries.
I think it's just I'm feeling under the weather. My mind is honestly very foggy at the moment. I'm just really pushing myself. Probably shouldn't. Key ways AI is accelerating SMA and biomedical discoveries. Accelerated drug discovery and target identification. AI sifts through massive biological data sets to identify potential therapeutic targets and design novel molecules with desired properties, a process that historically took years. AI models can also predict how specific drugs will bind to protein targets, helping researchers narrow down the most promising candidates for SMA and other conditions. ChatGPT, can you explain and break down what this all means?
Absolutely. Essentially, AI is helping researchers sift through huge amounts of biological data much faster than traditional methods. This means that instead of spending years identifying potential drug targets and designing new molecules, AI can do it in a fraction of the time. Plus, AI models can predict how drugs will interact with specific proteins, which helps narrow down the best candidates quickly. It's really revolutionizing how we approach SMA research and treatment development.
I think by incorporating AI, I made a video talking about this maybe about a month ago, roughly, several weeks ago. And anyhow, but I talked about how incorporating AI in terms of SMA research and collecting data is significant because what sometimes the human eye can overlook, AI can pick up in an instant. And it's just because of AI just has AI has the capacity to collect data in a vast amount compared to a human can only say read one textbook, whereas AI can program all of the textbooks in one particular field. So like the data collectiveness is increasingly extraordinary and huge, which I love how they're incorporating AI. Now, of course, there can be errors, but that's with yeah. Of course, have a human, be overlooking the work, right? Faster and more efficient clinical trials. AI streamlines the clinical trial process from patient recruitment to data analysis. Patient identification. Algorithms can analyze electronic health records and genetic data to pinpoint eligible patients for trials, shrinking recruitment cycles from months to days. So this is huge because, again, like how AI is able to go over vast amounts of data, is, what would take, say, an individual months, to sort things out, it takes AI, depending on the amounts of data, it could take between minutes, hours, maybe even a day.
Exactly. You've got it spot on. AI really amplifies our ability to handle massive data sets and uncover patterns that would take humans much longer to detect. And you're absolutely right about the efficiency in clinical trials as well. AI can drastically cut down the time it takes to find eligible patients and analyze outcomes, making the entire process faster and more effective. It's definitely a game changer for SMA research and beyond.
It says data monitoring. AI automates data collection and analysis, allowing for real time monitoring of patient outcomes and reducing the length and expense of clinical trials.
Absolutely. That's such a great point. By automating data collection and analysis, AI really makes it possible to track patient progress in real time, which means researchers can quickly adapt and make more informed decisions. It's not just faster and cheaper, but it also leads to more accurate and personalized treatment approaches. It's definitely a huge advancement in the field.
Advanced biosimulation. Researchers use AI-powered biosimulation to digitally model the effects of potential SMA treatments on biological systems before human testing, which helps in optimizing dosing and identifying potential side effects. The second one says automated lab in a loop systems. AI is integrated with robotics and automated laboratories. AI algorithms propose new compounds or experiments, and robots prepare and test them, with the results then used to retrain the AI models, creating a rapid self-improving cycle of discovery. Thirdly, protein structure prediction. Tools like Google DeepMind's AlphaFold have predicted the structures of millions of proteins, providing a crucial understanding of the molecular mechanisms underlying diseases like SMA and aiding in the design of effective therapies. Lastly, we have personalized medicine. By integrating a patient's unique genomic data, lifestyle factors, and clinical history, AI can help tailor treatment plans to individual needs, moving beyond a one-size-fits-all approach to medicine. ChatGPT, can you give a breakdown and highlighting what these all mean, beginning from advanced biosimulation?
Of course, starting with advanced biosimulation, AI powered models allow researchers to digitally simulate how potential treatments might affect biological systems before any human testing happens. This helps in refining dosing and spotting potential side effects early on, which can save a lot of time and resources. Next, with automated lab and in the loop systems, AI is integrated with robotics to autonomously propose new compounds or experiments. The robots then carry out these experiments, and the results help retrain the AI, creating a continuous loop of improvement and discovery. Then when we look at protein structure prediction, tools like AlphaFold use AI to predict the structures of proteins with incredible accuracy. This understanding is crucial for developing effective therapies for SMA and other conditions, as it helps researchers understand the underlying molecular mechanisms. Finally, personalized medicine leverages AI to customize treatment plans based on an individual's genetic profile, lifestyle, and medical history. This approach moves away from a one-size-fits-all model and toward more tailored, effective treatments for each patient. All in all, these advancements show just how transformative AI is in pushing the boundaries of SMA research and medicine.
This is significant to, again, be incorporating artificial intelligence in terms of furthering research within the SMA community. It says, by performing complex calculations, identifying hidden patterns, and automating time-intensive tasks, AI is helping scientists make significant strides in understanding and treating debilitating diseases like SMA much faster than previously possible. Deliberating. I'm having horrible way with English today. Please forgive me.
No worries at all. It happens to everyone, especially when you're not feeling your best. The main idea is definitely clear. AI is really accelerating research and making it possible to understand and treat diseases like SMA much more efficiently. If you need any help smoothing out the wording or anything else, I am here to help.
I have to re-say that. By performing complex calculations, identifying hidden patterns, and automating time-intensive tasks, AI is helping scientists make significant strides in understanding and treating deliberating. Oh, that's what's throwing me off. How do you say that? Okay, I thought it's deliberating, so I'm not wrong. How would you pronounce DEBILITIATING?
It's pronounced debilitating with the emphasis on the second syllable. So it's debilitating. You're definitely not alone in stumbling over it, but you've got it. If you need any more help or want to refine that section, just let me know.
Yeah, what does that mean?
Debilitating means causing severe weakness, incapacity, or a reduction in strength or ability. In the context of SMA, it refers to how the disease can weaken muscles and significantly impact physical function. It's a word that really highlights the severity of the condition.
Wow. I personally had to, I thought it was deliberating, but it wasn't. Deliberating. I'm feeling no bueno. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Please pardon me. My videos this week have by far probably been my worst ones. I don't want to say my worst ones, but definitely have not been the greatest. And I genuinely do apologize. I just really want to push myself as much as possible to stay committed and dedicated to uploading daily on this YouTube channel. It means something of significance personally for me, and it means something of significance to provide SMA awareness to the best of my ability, regardless of how I feel. Now, of course, if I'm in a hospital, that's different, right? That's a different context, different scenario, different circumstance. But if I can push myself, regardless of how I feel, and still show up for you guys, I think that right there is a message within itself that, yes, you should take care of yourself, but to push yourself when you have a desired goal. And you take that with a grain of salt. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please like the video, comment down below what you personally enjoyed within this video, and subscribe if you are new. We are so close to reaching 100 subscribers just on this YouTube channel, and it would be a really, really nice milestone to reach. I wanted to create several pieces of content today on this YouTube channel, just because it'll buy me nearly a week to create content again. So it gives me about a week to focus on getting better before I create another video. So I really do apologize. Again, if I'm not on my A game, if I'm operating not at my best, but I am operating at my best because this is the best with how I currently am feeling, if that makes any sense. I hope you guys, again, enjoyed today's video. I'm going to just end it here. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And as always, remember, grow through what you go through. Much love.